pegboards. If you're anything like me, then you've probably seen them in garages, tool sheds, to organize tools and other similar gear. But in recent years, I've seen them in countless setups across Instagram, YouTube, Reddit, and I want to mention that Ikea actually makes their own line of pegboards called the SKÅDIS pegboards. They also make a ton of accessories compatible with the pegboards that will cover a broad range of needs. My main reason for going for a pegboard was I wanted more organization as well as storage space on my setup, as I don't have any drawers or any other storage. Most of the times things would just end up sitting on my desk and it just make a huge mess. Of course, you don't have to get the Ikea system, but I just thought it's kind of convenient that they have all these accessories. You can get these from your local hardware store too, and I've seen them painted black, and people have made charge stations out of them, which just look insane, and I might do that down the line. But for now, this is how I'm organizing my pegboard system. What you're seeing here is two of these smaller sizes of pegboards because they were sold out of the bigger sizes, and this is something that, at least where I live, sells out constantly, and you kind of have to wait a couple weeks for it to get restocked. And the sky's the limit with how you organize these. You can pick up whatever accessories you feel like. First and foremost, there's some cables that I use quite frequently, and I wanted to make sure that I bought hooks that support those, and those came in a pack of 5. Additionally, I got 2 other sets of hooks which are a little bit bigger, and I use one to hold my DJI Osmo Mobile 3 carrying case, as well as the other 2 to hold my headphones. I also picked up these elastics that I'm using to hold up just a notebook, just so it looks kind of clean and doesn't leave a blank space on the board. And my favorite accessory, hands down, has to be the clear containers. I'm using them to hold my batteries, SD cards, memory cards, USB drives, card readers, and it just makes it really nice and organized, and I can see right away what's inside, and if I need anything, it's super quick and easy. I also picked up a tray holding my Ikea plant, as well as some additional cables that I have to pick up hooks for eventually. And then finally, I have 3 containers, each of which holds a different item. So the first one holds my cleaning supplies for my camera gear, stuff that I'm using regularly, as well as the LED remote to my LED lights around my desk. Then next to that, I have my pens, pencils, so if I need to jot something down quickly, I have access to that stuff. And next to that, I have my camera chargers, AA battery chargers, my Canon 70D battery charger. My use case is pretty straightforward and simple. I do have another pegboard that I am planning to modify, so stay tuned on the channel if you want to see that. That's going to be pretty much it for this video. I know it's a quick video this week, but if there's anything that you guys want to see on the channel and videos on specific products in my desk setup or anything in particular, leave it down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Stay safe and take care.